Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 57, Quranic verses, The Prohibition of Pride and Arrogance. Do not strut about the earth in haughty self-conceit. Al-Isra 17:37. Do not turn your face from people in scornful pride, nor move on earth haughtily. Surely Allah does not love anyone proud and boastful. Luqman 31:18. Qarun, Korah, was one of Moses' people, but he betrayed and oppressed them. We had granted him such great treasures that their very keys alone were too heavy a burden for a company of strong people. Even his people warned him, "Do not exult in your wealth. Surely Allah does not love those who exult." Al-Qasas 28:76. As for the abode of the hereafter, we will assign it to those who do not seek arrogant power on earth, nor cause corruption and disorder. The truly desirable outcome is for the Allah-revering, pious. Al-Qasas 28:83. Hadith number 318, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Imam 147. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "No one who has an atom's weight of pride in his heart will enter paradise." A man said, "And if the man likes his clothes to be good and his sandals to be good?" He said, "Allah is beautiful and loves beauty." Pride means to renounce the truth and abase people. Hadith number 319, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Ayman 9, Tafsir as-Surah 68/1, Adab 61, Sahih Muslim, Jannah 47. Haritha ibn Wahb, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I heard the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, say, "Shall I tell you about the people of hell? All those who are coarse, domineering, and arrogant." Hadith number 320, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Imam 172. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "There are three people that Allah will not speak to on the day of rising, nor purify nor look at, and they will have a painful punishment: an old adulterer, a lying ruler, and a poor person who is arrogant." Sahih Muslim, Imam 172. Hadith number 321, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Bur 136. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, Allah the Mighty and Exalted said, "Might is my wrapper, and pride is my cloak, and I will punish anyone who contends with me for them." Hadith number 322. Sahih al-Bukhari, Anbiya 54, Libas 5. Sahih Muslim, Libas 49. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, Once a man was walking in his robe, proud of himself, his hair groomed, haughty in his gait, and Allah caused the earth to swallow him up. He will go on sinking into the earth until the day of rising.